Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel, Programming Knowledge Friend. So in the previous tutorial, we learn about the we learn about the strcat function. The What is the definition of this function? If you use this function is join or concatenate two characteristics. When the two characteristics are joined, it is referred as a concatenation of string. It is used to concatenate two strings. Okay. So in today's tutorial is about the other two main important inbuilt string handling functions. So what are that? The first one is the strcmp function. The first one is the strcmp function. What is the use of this function? The strcmp function is to compare two character strings. The strcmp function is to compare two character strings. It returns a zero when the two strings are identical, are same. Okay, so otherwise it returns a numeric value which is difference in ASCII values of this first mismatching character of the strings being compared. I repeat this again. Please listen very carefully. Okay, so strcmp function is used to compare two character strings. It returns zero when two strings are identical. It returns zero when two strings are identical. Otherwise it returns a numeric value, okay, which is the difference, the ASCII value, difference in ASCII values of the first mismatching character. Suppose at first the compiler see it is the first thing. I can in the previous example I can take a same variable. So in this tutorial I also take the same variable for your better understanding. Okay, so the compiler, the user can initialize two variables. Okay, the Amit and Mr. The compiler at first check the Mr. M and Amit if they are same or not. Okay, if there is same, okay, the compiler returns zero. So the compiler will checking when in this point the compiler get the first mismatching character. Okay, it will return the string strcmp function return. Okay, the strcmp function the returns is a difference in ASCII values. Means the what is the ASCII value of M and what is the ASCII value of A. The difference of these two characters will return by the compiler. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, so I can take an example for better understanding. Okay, so I can take an integer s. So s equal to str cmp. Okay, cmp name comma name name 1. Okay, so if I print this, obviously because the two strings are does not identical, the two strings are not identical, so the compiler will return, obviously the compiler obviously return the first mismatching character, obviously the difference between the character M and A. Okay, so the difference, mm, the difference okay, so the difference by compiling this program. So what will be that? The difference equal to null, nothing. What is the problem? I does not give, sorry, it is my mistake. I does not give any format specifier. Okay, so please should remember this some points. Uh, okay, the difference is 1. Okay, if I take, suppose, if I take Amit, as usual, two strings are identical, same. So what will be the answer? I hope the answer is 0. The answer is 0. Okay, so this is the use of this strcmp function. Does not matter. The four standard function, you can learn this four standard function very carefully. Okay, so the next one is the another function is the atoi function. I can write this function. Okay, atoi function. At first I write this function, then I will describe I describe this. I describe this. I describe this. Okay. So ATOI function. ATOI function. So what is the use of this function? I can take the what is the definition of this function? The ATOI function is a C library function which is used to convert a string of digits to the integer value. Okay, so ATOI function is a C library. It is a function which is in the C library which is used to convert a string of digits to the integer value. Convert to the digits of integer value. Okay, so we see. Okay, so it will convert whatever it will convert a string of digits to the integer value. Suppose if you take, it will does not convert the character string. It will convert only the integer string, not character string. In this case, I will initialize two character strings. But the ATY function, if you see here, okay, the ATOI function does not convert these character strings. It will convert only the integer strings. Suppose if I take 1, 2, 3, 4, it is a integer string. So it will convert this mm, S T O I name. Okay. If I print, what will be? It will convert this string. Sorry. It does not. Oof, what will be? ATOI function. The another important thing is what the compiler gives me the ATY function error. Why the ATY function was not declared in this scope? The main reason is it will be my responsibility. I should include this header file, the stdlib.h. You know, this header file is also include this header file is also used in case of dynamical programming. So this is the later. Okay, at first you will learn this std, then see. No, so the ATOI function, what is the working principle of this ATOI function? Okay, inside this header file stdlib.h. So you should include this header file. The 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be used to convert a string of digits to the integer value. Okay, so the HUI function is a C library. If you use this function in your program, so you must include this header file, like stdlib.h in your program. Okay. So HUI function is a C library function which is used to convert the string of digits to the integer value. Okay. I can show you in the picture. So I does not expand this video. Okay. So I hope this is I will end my lecture in I will end my lecture. So please subscribe my channel and please comment me. Please like this video and please comment me so it will be motivated me to make more videos. Okay. So please comment. Please share. Please subscribe this channel. Okay. So thank you. Thank you to everyone.